The worst thing about being burned when you're working as surveillance is having to call the client and tell them. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I am the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. And I tell you what, I've been there. I think every professional investigator, everybody who does surveillance has been burned at one time or another. Sometimes, a lot of times, depending on how much surveillance you do, it's going to happen. The trick is to let it happen as little as possible. That's why I'm such a proponent of professional training like my Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. If I can just save you from being burned once and that awful call to the client, then it's worth it to me. There's actually even a pretty funny bit out there floating around on the internet about Darth Vader having to make a call to his superiors when the Death Star blows up.
Go for Papa Palpatine.
You have a collect call from
Darth Vader.
I gotta take this. Hold on. Vader, how's my favorite Sith? Whoa. Just slow down. Huh? What do you mean they blew up the Death Star? Who's they? What the hell is an aluminum falcon?
That clip is kind of a funny thing, but it's not so funny when you have to make a call to your client explaining why you got burned. The only thing that can make that phone call worse is when you secretly in your heart know you got burned because you made a mistake. Try to avoid making the mistakes by learning as much as you can about surveillance before you go out and do it. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing. If you'd like to capture incredible surveillance video just like this, then the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance is for you. It is 100% satisfaction guaranteed, no questions asked. If you want your money back, just ask. You'll get it, every penny. That's my promise to you. So click buy it now.